So now we're going to get up close with the TC53 and TC58. First we'll see we have a 6-inch display with improved ruggedness. You see that the display takes up the majority of the front of the device. On the side here, we'll see that we have one of our 2 scan buttons and a programmable button. On the other side, another scan button, and we have our volume up and volume down buttons. You'll see on the bottom of the device, we have a USB-C port and 2 pogo pins for charging, as well as some speakerphone ports. And when we look at the front of the device, we'll see our scan engine. This one has the SE55. We'll also see on LAN devices, we have a 3.5mm headset jack here. Now, on the back of the device, bring one over here, you notice that we have a base and a premium. The premium device offers this time of flight camera for depth sensing. One of the improvements we made is we now have the ability to add a hand strap without the need for the rugged boot. So we just attach a hand strap at the top and bottom. We even have a stylus holder for it as well. And then you just remove this clip and you can hot swap your battery out if you have a premium device, or warm swap your battery out with a base device. We also have our 8-pin general I/O here for accessories. And now, if we did want to bring the boot over, we have one here. You'll see that this is what the device looks like with a rugged boot. You'll see the hand strap is there, and then from outside you'll see the rugged boot.